How to enable microphone in Honor of Kings. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily enable microphone in the Honor of Kings game. First of all, launch open Honor of Kings on your device and make sure you're inside the home screen. Now, after you are in, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. After you're inside the settings, go to the left hand side menu and tap on the sound button. Inside sound, scroll down and tap on the enable button under voice chat. Make sure this is turned on. And now scroll down and tap on the box right under microphone input. After you have these two buttons checked, you can now get back to the lobby screen and select a match and join it to test your microphone. Join a match, and then after you end up in this page from where you can start the match, go to the bottom and look for this microphone button. Go ahead and make sure it is turned on rather than off. So after you start the match, you will be able to enable the microphone feature in Honor of Kings. Now you're ready to strategize and coordinate with your team without missing a single call out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.